We'll do with the question answers warm up now. In that, in the given story, which word phrase can be replaced by the following one? Became aware, that means realized. Always, invariably. Very upset and helpless, desperate. Cheating, fall means. Without working for it, unearned. A sudden change, turning point. Gain, achieve, acquire. Now see children, summarizing the incident in 6 to 8 lines, making Lokesh the narrator. Now this type of summarization, this is a practice for you for your question number 4B1. In the exam paper, question number 4B1, you come across a question, summarize the passage. In the same way, here summarizing the incident in 6 to 8 lines. This comes for 5 marks and it is a compulsory question in board exam. So try to do this on your own. I have given you ideas over here. I was always the class topper. My goal was submit. But my means to get there were fraudulent. Farhan, my classmate, has once prepared for the mathematic paper on the day the history paper was scheduled. Seeing his desperation, I offered to help him copy so that he could pass in his paper. But Farhan strongly refused. He said that it was better for me to earn a zero by myself or himself rather than earning single marks by cheating. This incident changed my life forever. I gave up cheating. I worked hard and decided never to use false measures ever in my life. Now children, we will start with English workshop, the exercise given just behind the lesson. Complete the web diagram. This comes for 2 marks in exam. See Hari's vices: opportunist, cheater, compulsive liar and experienced thief. Second one, insert the appropriate word. After the death of my pet dog. Wait, first one. I dashed the school gate when I heard the school bell ring. Dash 2. Second one. After the death of my pet dog, my dash when my spirit rose when dad got me a new pup. Do not stoop to flattery just to gain something for someone. The artist completes his painting. Answer by fits and starts. The crime went for 11 years undetected. When the baby saw its mother, it gave and dashed a smile, appealing smile. Find from the text the collocations for the following. Children, collocation comes for 2 marks. Dash dog, stray dog. Dash educated man. Dash man, educated man. Ticket, office. Dash slowly, walk slowly. Dash drizzle, light drizzle. Dash sentence, whole sentence. Dash spirits, rose spirits. Oil rich. Now in the same way, compound word we will see. First one, compound word, oil rich. Second, 50 rupees. 50 rupee. Easy going. dash tower, clock tower. Dash moon dash moonlight. Pick out from the story 3 or 4 examples of code mixing. Code mixing means words that are used in English as well as in other languages also. So Maidan, pajamas and bazaar are used in Hindi, English and many other languages. Read the story carefully and complete the table. Number of characters 2. Name is Hari Singh and Anil. Age is given. Physical appearance. Earn money by stealing. Writing magazines and qualities are given. Complete the given sentence. You write your own sentence, children. Don't copy these sentences. Just see this and prepare your own sentences similar to the sentence I have given over here. After that, complete the sentences. The moral of the story is never give up. Think and write in your own words in your notebook question answers. Children, you can take screenshot of this if you want and then copy it down in your notebook. Take each answer screenshot so that afterwards you can write it. Actually, you are supposed to write it on your own. This can only help you. Write character sketch of Hari. This comes for 2 marks. 2 marks question, you can take screenshot. 8th one, frame WH type question. To get the answer, underline below. See the 9th one now. Imagine that Anil catches Hari red-handed when Hari is stealing, which reflects Anil's shock and Hari's repeated apologies. Now with this we have finished with the question answers. Do the activity part in your textbook and only write the question answers in your notebook.